Welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you've been having a great week so far. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get into the market and talk about it. So we've got the S&P up just a little under 0.5% in the pre-market. Now, today could be a very interesting day. Yesterday, we did not break over the 4,000 on the S&P 500. We've been holding right in that range, but it did not drop either. I've been saying we're right at the top of that channel. We're right there at resistance. I've been looking for us to start trending down. However, the market has been holding up very well. Now, I don't know if it's been holding up there to try to pull more people in, get more FOMO going on, or what the deal is, but I'm still looking for that downward turn. We haven't got a confirmed breakout, so I'm still looking for that downward trend, which is why I keep saying be careful with your investing. I'm not going to go putting in a whole lot into anything that I'm not taking it right back out of until I see either a confirmation of that breakout or we start getting that pullback so that we can get some better prices. Quite honestly, I know a lot of people are looking for the market to rally. I want that pullback. I want to get these stocks down at these cheaper prices. So I'm looking forward to that pullback, quite honestly. We didn't get it. However, if we go over here to the S&P and we take a look at it, we did have a red candle yesterday. Not quite a hammer candle, but we did have a pretty long wick on the top, which would, if you're going by charting, at least to my limited ability to chart, it makes me think that we're looking at a downward trend here. So even though the pre-market is looking green and a lot of my stocks in my watch list here are in the green right now, we could see a sell-off day. At some point in time, we have to break because right now we're holding up there in those high 3,900 range, but we're not quite breaking the 4,000. It's got to break somewhere. It can't just sit there in this tight range right at resistance for too long a period of time. Now, currently, we've got Bitcoin and everything up right now. Pretty much all the cryptos right here I'm looking at's up. Ethereum, ADA's up, Solana's up, Matic's up. However, I was just over on my Coinbase account and I noticed they're not all up because it works on a little different time frame. We actually have some cryptos already turning in the red this morning. So they may be up from when Webull had them set at like 5 o'clock yesterday evening, but they're down from where they opened up this morning. Now that could be a sign that we could see a little bit of a reversal out of crypto, which, if you've been watching me for any length of time, a few videos ago, I actually said that crypto, I believe, is part of the reason that the stock market's been able to hold up so well. I think there's just a lot of people piling into crypto. I think that the market running up a little bit, crypto running up, it's got people thinking that we're in the next bull run maybe, and money is starting to pile in. And as we all know, when everybody starts piling in and that fear and greed index goes down where nobody's fearful, that's usually where the institutions step in and make a change. Excuse me, my allergies are messing up this morning. I shoot these videos straight through so I can get them out to you as quickly as possible. So that's what I got for you. I'm going to keep it short. Right now, I am going to be watching to see if we're going to get that breakout. Are we going to get a breakout and get a close above that 4,000 on the S&P, or are we going to start trending down and get that next move down to about 3,800 on the S&P and then maybe ultimately down to about 3,600? If we could get a retest of right around the 3,600 and then start up, then I could believe that we could go into the next bull cycle. But I do believe we need to retest those lows first. Otherwise, I think we're going to see a false breakout, and it's still going to end up tumbling sometime pretty soon before we move on up. Time will tell. I don't have a crystal ball. I just want everyone to be careful. Don't go out and pile money into it too soon, because if this is the bull cycle, there will be a lot of money to be made. You don't have to get it right here. It's not like you hit the bottom. So you don't have to get it right here. Get that confirmation, just like in all your trades. Get a confirmation, then take the position, not the other way around. When you start speculating, you'll always get wrecked in the end. So we get confirmation, we set our trades, we make our money, and that's how we beat the S&P 500 each and every year, not just on a yearly basis, but on a weekly basis. So that's what I got for you. Till next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.